சரியா உடனும் this is partial fraction. This is called partial fraction algebra first exercise. This is first exercise. We have three models of that. Denominator contain non-repeated linear factor. The numerator brought out by power. Denominator is what? A plus B, C plus B. This is called two linear factor. Linear factor is contains only x term and constant term, which can be written as A, the constant divided by first linear factor plus B by second factor. Similarly, numerator divided by three linear factor. That means what? A by first factor, B by second factor, C by third factor. This is the partial fraction idea. After taking LCM and simplify, you find out that A and B, replace A and B with result. First you want to put we have two linear factor. After taking LCM and simplify to find out that A and B, once you substitute the value for A and B, result. Similarly, three linear factors are going to the same concept. You must find the value of A, B, C. Next is denominator contains linear factor repeated entry. That is what? First word linear factor. This is the whole square. That is what? A by first linear factor, B by without square linear factor, third one is what? C by with square. In this way going. Third model, denominator contains quadratic factor which cannot be factorized into a linear factor. But denominator is the quadratic equation, then linear factor. So quadratic equation is not factorized form. That's very important. If it is factorized forming, the quadratic equation converted to two factor, only one factor is therefore by using three factor in the same. It's all linear factor. But here it is quadratic equation. That's why not possible to factorize. That's why your answer is A plus B by denominator quadratic equation plus C by linear factor. The quadratic factor, above quadratic factor, A plus B will come. Not only A, B will come. A plus B will come. Third is linear factor is only C by next factor, dx plus f. In this way, you want to split. Afterwards, take LCM and find the A, B, C value, you get the answer. Actually, this one model, but I won't compare to the one model because two factors, three factors. This is the whole square. This is the clip, not pattern. That's important. There is a quadratic equation. This is the introduction. By using this idea, we have so many problems. This exercise is very, very important for 5 mark question. Study well, thoroughly. Listen here, exercise 2.1. Already 2.2, 2.3, 2.1. This is the only model, partial fraction. This idea is partial fraction. We have so many problems. Definitely from this exercise, only either 5 mark or 3 mark, definitely will come. Resolve into the partial fraction for the following. The first question. Now what are you doing? Denominator having quadratic equation. Already the quadratic equation means one formula. Linear factor means one formula. That's why if it is possible to factorize, that's very, very important. Write the question which is equal to 3x plus 7 divided by this is actually what? Product of two numbers is what? 2. Sum of number 3. Product sum. What are the number? Minus 1, minus 2. Multiply both, we get 2. Adding both, minus 3. That's why factorization of this one is x minus 1 and x minus 2. This is very important. This is a quadratic factor. This is possible to contribute to two linear factor product. Therefore, what is the formula? Two linear factor product means the numerator whatever may be, you will put A by first denominator, first factor, B by second factor. Another, the same thing you want to write. Again, 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2 divided by d, then LCM. What is LCM? There are always percentage. Product of these two terms is LCM. Am I right? Cross multiply A into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Now denominator will be cancelled because this only you wanted product of two linear factors. Denominator will be cancelled. Now to find A and B, after find A and B, Once again substitute A to get the answer. That is the answer. Now only this is A and B here, no? Therefore, what is the method to find AB? We have two methods are there. One method is equal to x term and constant term. We get two equations. Solve two equations. We get the value for A and B. One method. But easy method is what is inside bracket? X minus 2. You want to make this term as 0. What is the answer? Put x is equal to what you get? X 2 means 2 minus 2 0. A is 0. The whole term will be 0. Then B only will come. We get the value of B. Now put x to 2 means substitute x to 2 in left hand side after right hand side. Left hand side 2 into 3 into 2 plus 7. Right hand side A into 2 minus 2 plus B into 2 minus 2. Alright? Replace respect to. What is the reason? The inside the bracket x minus 2 is there. You want to make 0. Of x is equal to 2. Next term, put x is equal to 1. On B will be 0. We get A value. In this way, you will find A value. First, I am finding A value. I am finding B value. That's why the first answer will be 2. X equal to. Substitute replace x equal to 6 plus 7. A into 0 plus B into 1. But 13 equal to A equal to 0 only B. Okay? B equal to B. First answer. Similarly, put x equal to 1, comma, left hand side 3 into 1 plus 7. Right hand side A into 1 minus 2. Then B into 1 minus 1. Then 3 1 3 plus 7. A into minus 1 plus B into 0. 10 equal to minus A, right? This is 0. We want A equal to minus 10. In this way, you will find A and B value. Now, what is the question? 3x plus 7 by x squared minus 3x plus 2 is the question, which is equal to, after finding the A value, we will substitute here. A value is what? Minus 10 divided by x minus 1 plus B is what? 13 by x minus 2. But look and say, first term here, this one. Because first term always only pass, you know. Next term minus 10 by x minus. This is the answer. In this way, you find partial fraction. Partial fraction what does it mean? The rational expression, this can be done sum of the or difference of the two rational expressions. That's all. Two term or three term different sum of the question. Denominator square, x square is there. That means quadratic factor. This can be done product of two linear factor. That's why A by something plus B by something. Take LCM to find the A value, B value. Once again replace the A value, B value, we get the answer. Suppose denominator having three linear factor mean A by first factor, B by second factor, C by third factor. After taking LCM to find out the A, B, C. Once again replace the value, we get three terms will come. One more method, here suppose here quadratic is involved in one method or whole square involved in one method. In this way, we have four methods are there. But anyway, important 5 mark question, 5 mark or 3 mark concept, you must solve all the exercise and example problem. First problem over. Now next question, 4x plus 1 divided by x minus 2, x plus 1. The question is a product of two linear factors given. It's a question, very simple concept. Only two linear factors, A by first factor plus B by second factor. The same thing, the LCM is what? X minus 2 and x plus 2 is LCM. Just multiply both. Class multiply x plus 1. B into x minus 2. Here x minus 2 into x plus 1. Then 4x plus 1. This will be cancelled. Remember always we cancel. Now to find A and B. To find A and B. Then what is inside bracket? X plus 1 is there. Change sign, put x equal to minus 1. Comma. In left hand side, 4 into minus 1 plus 1. In right hand side, minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 minus 2. Replace x by minus 1, here minus 1, here minus 1. Now simplify, minus 4 plus 1 equal to a into 0, then b into minus 3. Subtract both, minus 3. This is 0. Again, plus into minus 3b. We want b no. 3b equal to 3. B equal to what? 3 by 3. B equal to 3 by 3. This one is the answer. Similarly, the next problem is over. What is the inside bracket next one? X minus 2 square. Put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2. Come on. Then 4 into 2 plus 1. Right? 4x plus 1. 4 into x is 2 plus 1. A into 2 plus 1. A into 2 plus 1. Here, b into 2 minus 2. Am I right? 8 plus 1. A into 3. B into 0. Okay, 9 equal 3a plus 0. B 1 a no. But 3a equal 9. A equal to 9 by 3. That is 3 is the answer. Now write the question. What is the question? 4x plus 1 by x minus 2. X plus 1 equal to a divided by first term, you know. A is 3. I will find out x minus 2 plus b by b is what? 1 by x plus 1. That's all. This answer. After finding a and b, once again replace the element is important. That is the answer. A product of two linear quadrant. This is the idea. That's all. Now next question, fourth question. Third question, Samadhan model. First I want to complete denominator having product of two linear quadrant. That's right. Now start with the fourth question. Now 1 by x square minus 1. 1 by it is of the form a square minus b square whole square. What is the formula? A plus b is a minus. Am I right? Now product of two linear quadrant. If it is not factor, it will be some other idea, some other formula. The same question, 1 by x square plus 1b, what is the formula? Ax plus b is this idea. Am I right? The denominator having, it is not factor form, and the quadrant equation is numerator with ax plus b. But here, if it is possible to factorize, that's why by using the formula a square minus b square formula, a plus b is a minus b. Now it becomes product of two linear factor. A divided by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 1. Now take LCM. This will be equal. Look at that. This one, this will be equal. Cancel. 1. Now cross multiply a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 1. Am I right? To find a and b. Inside that is what? X minus 1. That's why the x equal to 1. Replace x by 1. In left hand side, no x there. Only 1 is there. 1 equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 plus 1. Am I right? 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 2. Now 1 equal to 0 plus 2b. But 2b equal to 1. B equal to what? 1 by 2 is the answer. Similarly, the x equal to minus 1. Because what is x in some bracket? Plus 1. Plus x inside minus 1. Left hand side as 1. Right hand side 1 minus 1 minus 1. Next side minus 1 plus 1. Am I right? Here a into minus 2. B into 0. Here minus 2a plus 0. We want a no. That's right. The minus 2a comes to 2a. Here minus 1. A equal to minus 1. Now write the question. What is the question? 1 by x square minus 1 equal to a by minus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 by x minus 1. Already told you plus 1 by 2 first term. Here 1 by 2 no. 1 by 2 into x minus 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x minus 1 is positive first. Minus. This is what? 1 by 2 into x plus 1. This is the answer. Am I right? This is the answer. The same method. Here is a quadratic factor. This is possible to factorize. That's why you want to factorize by using the formula a square minus b square into a plus b into a minus formula. Now it will become product of the two linear factors. Previous area. A by something, b by something. Obtain LCM to find the a and b value. Substitute them and get answer. That's all. Now the same method, example 2.2. In exercise, 3 problems are completed the same order. This is the fourth question. 7x minus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. It is a quadratic equation. number is what? 6. Sum of the two numbers minus 5. What are number? Minus 2, minus 3. In this way, 7x minus 1 by denominator is what? X minus 2, x minus 3. Now, a divided by first factor, b by second factor. Suppose you write x minus 3 here, x minus 2 here. After taking LCM to find the a b value, substitute the a b value, we get the final answer same. Am I right? Now take LCM. X minus 2 into x minus 3. This is LCM. Cross multiply a into x minus 3, b into x minus 2. Here what is that? X square minus 5x plus 6 is 7x minus 1. Denominator we can solve to find a and b. Am I right? Now, put x is equal to 3. The 7 into 3 minus 1 equal to a into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 minus 2. Am I right? 21 minus 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 1. Am I right? 21 minus 1, 20 equal to 0 plus b. B equal to 20 is the first answer. Next is what? Inside bracket x minus, put x equal to 2. Come on. Let us check. 7 into 2 minus 1 equal to a into 2 minus 3 plus b into 2 minus 2. Okay? Now 14 minus 1 equal to a into minus 1, b into 0. 13 equal to minus 3. A equal to what? Minus 13. Now write the question. 7x minus 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to a minus 13 by x minus 2 minus 2 plus b is what? 20 divided by x minus 3. Now you write positive first, 20 by x minus 3 minus 13 by x minus 2. This is the answer. Am I right? Now, fourth problem the same method. That's all. Now listen here. Example 2.3 resolve in the partial fractions x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4 x plus 4. This is a linear factor, but this is a quaternion factor. If it is this is quaternion, no. If it is factorization forming one method, non-factorization form another method. By chance, this is the factorization form. What is the reason? Now write the question. This is the question. Equal to x plus 4 divided by the minus 4 alone. This can be written as 2 square. Of x square minus 2 square. So a square minus b square format. A plus b, a minus b. The 2 square means x square, 2 square, no. X plus 2, x minus 2. This is the factorization sign. Am I correct? Already x plus 1 is there. Now it is of the form product of 3 linear factor. What is the formula? A by first factor, b by second factor, c by third factor. Now what I told you? All three are the same. X plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2. Now denominator is what? X plus 2. What is the remainder? The remainder term should be multiplied by a. A into x minus 2, x plus 2. Am I correct? Plus b into denominator is what? X minus 2. What is the remaining two times? X plus 2, x plus 2. Plus c into x plus 1 is there. What is the remaining term? X plus 2, x minus 2. Yeah, what three terms are there? That is LCM. One term already is there. You want to multiply a into remaining two times. The x minus, the b is multiplied every two times. In this way, you want to multiply. That is called LCM. Denominator b minus what? X plus 4. X square minus 4 into x plus 1. Already told you, denominator we cancel. To find here, a, b and c. So what is the first thing inside the bracket? What is inside the bracket? The factorization. What is x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1? No. Here x minus 2, x plus no. What you must insert bracket? X minus 2. That's why put a x equal to 2. Oh my god. Left hand side 2 plus 4. Right hand side a into 2 minus 2 0. The whole term will be 0. That will be 0. Need not put 2 minus 2, 2 plus 1. Because 2 minus 2 0 means 0 into something other 0. Again here b into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1. But here c into here 2 plus 4, here 2 minus 2 0, 4 into 0 only. That is 0. Now 0, here 0, here b into 4, here 3, here 0. Am I right? Here 6. But 6 equal to 4 is 12b. Am I right? But 12b equal to 6, b equal to 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. Is the first answer. Am I right? Next is the bracket x minus 2 plus 2, x equal to 2, we have first answer. Plus 1 is on, x equal to minus 1. Left hand side minus 1 plus 4, right hand side minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3, but here minus 1 plus 1 0, but the whole term is 0. Here also minus 1 plus 2 plus 1, but here minus 1 plus 1 0, but totally 0 is something 0, that will be 0. But here minus 1 plus 2, again minus 1 to minus 1, here 3, 0 plus 0, here c into 2 minus 1, 1, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 are equal to minus 2. Now 3 equal to multiply minus 3c, but 3c equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1 is the answer. Am I right? Again, minus 2 plus 2 put x equal to plus 1, put x equal to minus 1. Next x plus 2, no, put x equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Yeah, 3 factors are there. Change sign. Minus 2, you get 1 answer. Plus 2, 1 answer. Minus 1, 1 answer. You get 3 answer. You will put x equal to minus 2, 2, minus 1. Otherwise, plus 2, minus 1 in this way. You will put the number in. Here, 3 factors. Change the sign and put the value for x. 1 by 1 you get answer. The x equal to minus 2 means left hand side minus 2 plus 4 over a into minus 2 minus 2. Here minus 2 plus 1. But here p into 0, c into 0. Am I right? Because minus 2 plus 0, here minus 2 plus 0, the whole thing will be 0. This 2, a into minus 4, here minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. What will equal? 4a. 4a equal to a equal to 2 by 4, cancel 1 by 2. After finding a, b, c, now write the question. What is the question? X plus 4 divided by x square minus 4 into x plus 1 is the question. Equal to a by a is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by x plus 2 plus b. B is what? Again 1 by 2 by x minus 2. C is what? Minus 1 by last one is what? X plus 1. Now your answer is 1 by 2 into x plus 2. Again 1 by 2 into x minus 2 plus minus x plus 1. In this way, what will answer this answer? This type of problem may be very question because product of 3 terms involved in. Previously, all the problems are only product of 2 linear factor. But here, product of 3 linear factor. That's why this question is 5 mark question. Anyway, denominator having product of 2 linear factor, we have only one problem, product of 3 linear factor. This type of all the problems are over. How many problems are over? Example problem 2 problem. Exercise problem. How many problem? Question number 1. Question number. Question number 1, 2, 4, 3 problem. Then example number 2 problem. Product of 2 linear factor we have. Example 2, exercise 3, 25 problem. Product of 3 linear factor we have only one problem. Exam problem, one problem over. But today 6 problems are over. One model completely over. Next class I will start another model. Today that's all.